Breaking news, the search for the teen who escaped police custody in handcuffs is now over. 7 Action reporter Simon Shaquette joins us live from Detroit's west side. So Simon, this manhunt lasted several hours. Where did police finally find him?
Yeah, viewer Alan actually identified the teen over on Broad Street, which is nearby to this area. Now, right over here, over my shoulder, we can zoom in and I can show you that's the area where he actually escaped from. And just a few moments ago, we saw his mother very upset over this entire ordeal. It was here at West Chicago and Grand River. Heavily armed police officers and rescue teams from the fire department acted on tips that 16-year-old Chaz Taylor could be inside an abandoned apartment complex.
Obviously, we have some procedure issues we need to look into to find out what our officers did wrong to allow this to happen.
They said they found him right around here, right around where he bolted.
The teen from Muskegon had been part of a Job Corps training program in Detroit, but police say he took a bad turn and was caught with a concealed weapon, then tried to fight with officers during his arrest this morning.
My son is nowhere near a violent person. What happened last night was two adults decided to get my 16-year-old drunk. He is bipolar and off of his meds.
Somehow he ended up escaping on foot before he could be taken into the precinct building. So far, police say it's unknown how he managed to get those handcuffs from behind him to the front of his body.
It's a relief that he's been found, but it's kind of not when my husband tells me that my son is all bruised up.
Also at the laundromat across the street, a worker telling us Taylor has been seen in the area before, armed with a gun.
How did he get away from the police? How did he get out of the precinct? What could be done to prevent that from happening?
Taylor is now being checked out at the hospital. From there, police say he will be transferred to a youth facility. Live on Detroit's west side, Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News.
All right, Simon, thank you. We're going to